Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to explain the novel Around the World in 80 Days. Let's begin. Around the World in 80 Days is a classic adventure novel by the French writer Jules Verne, published in 1873. In the story, Phileas Fogg, a character, Phileas Fogg of London, and his newly employed French valet Passepartout attempt to circumnavigate the world in 80 days on £20,000 wager set by his friends at the Reform Club. It is one of Verne's most acclaimed works. The story starts in London on Tuesday, October 1, 1872. Phileas Fogg is a rich British gentleman living in solitude. Despite his wealth, Fogg lives a modest life with habits carried out with mathematical precision. Very little can be said about his social life. Other than that, he is a member of the Reform Club. At the Reform Club, Fogg gets involved in an argument over an article in the Daily Paragraph. Daily Paragraph is a newspaper stating that with the opening of a new railway section in India, it is now possible to travel around the world in 80 days. He accepts a wager for £20,000 from his fellow club members, which he will receive if he makes it around the world in 80 days. Accompanied by Passepartout, he leaves London by train at 8:45 am on Wednesday, October 2, 1872, and is due back at the Reform Club at the same time 80 days later, that is on Saturday, December 21, 1872. The itinerary, as originally planned, starts from London in United Kingdom to Suez in Egypt by rail to Brindisi and steamer, the Mongolia, across the Mediterranean Sea. It takes 7 days. From Suez to Bombay, nowadays we call Bombay as Mumbai. From Suez to Bombay in India by steamer, namely the Mongolia, across the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean. It takes 13 days. From Bombay to Calcutta by rail in 3 days. From Calcutta to Victoria in Hong Kong by steamer, the Rangoon, across South China Sea in 13 days. From Hong Kong to Yokohama in Japan by steamer, the Carnatic, across the South China Sea, East China Sea and the Pacific Ocean in 6 days. From Yokohama to San Francisco in United States by steamer, namely the General Grant, across the Pacific Ocean. It takes 22 days. From San Francisco to New York City by rail in 7 days. Finally, from New York to London by steamer, namely the China, across the Atlantic Ocean to Liverpool and rail. This this will take 8 days. The total days for the journey is 79 as planned. Fogg and Passepartout reach Suez in time. While disembarking in Egypt, they are watched by a detective Scotland Yard detective named Fix, who has been dispatched from London in search of a bank robber. Because the fog matches the vague description of the robber, Fix mistakes Fogg for the criminal. Since he cannot secure a warrant in time, Fix boards the steamer, the Mongolia, conveying the travelers to Bombay. Fix becomes acquainted with Passepartout without revealing his purpose. Fogg promises the steamer engineer a large reward if he gets them to Bombay early. They dock 2 days ahead of schedule. After reaching India, they take a train from Bombay to Calcutta. Fogg learns that the Daily Telegraph article was wrong. The railroad ends at Kholby and starts again 50 miles further on at Allahabad. Fogg buys an elephant, hires a guide, and starts towards Allahabad. They come across a procession in which a young Indian woman, Oda, is led to a sanctuary to be sacrificed by Sati the next days by Brahmins. Since the young woman is drugged with opium and hemp and is obviously not going voluntarily, the travelers decide to rescue her. They follow the procession to the site where Passepartout takes the place of Oda's deceased husband on the funeral pyre on which she is to be burned. During the ceremony, he rises from the pyre, scaring off the priests, and carries the young woman away. The 12 hours gained earlier are lost, but Fogg shows no regret. The travelers hasten to catch the train at the next railway station, taking Oda with them. At Calcutta, they board a steamer, the Rangoon, going to Hong Kong. Fix has Fogg and Passepartout arrested. They jump bail and Fix follows them to Hong Kong. He shows himself to Passepartout, who is delighted again meet his traveling companion from the earlier voyage. In Hong Kong, it turns out that Oda's distant relative, in whose care they had been planning to leave her, has moved to Holland. So they decide to take her with them to Europe. Still without a warrant, Fix sees Hong Kong as his last chance to arrest Fogg on British soil. Passepartout becomes convinced that Fix is a spy from the Reform Club. Fix confides in Passepartout, who does not believe a word and remains convinced that his master is not a bank robber. To prevent Passepartout from informing his master about the premature departure of their next vessel, the Carnatic Fix gets Passepartout drunk and drugs him in an opium den. Passepartout still manages to catch the steamer to Yokohama, but neglects to inform Fogg that the steamer is leaving the evening before its scheduled departure date. Fogg discovers that he missed his connection. He searches for a vessel that will take him to Yokohama, finding a pilot boat, the Tankadair, that takes him and Oda to Shanghai, where they catch a steamer to Yokohama. In Yokohama, they search for Passepartout, believing that he may arrive there on the Carnatic as originally planned. They find him in a circus trying to earn the fare for his homeward journey. Reunited, the four board a paddle steamer, the General Grant, taking them across the Pacific to San Francisco. Fix promises Passepartout that now, having left British soil, he will no longer try to decay Fogg's journey but support him in getting back to Britain to minimize the amount of his share of the stolen money that Fogg can spend. In San Francisco, they board a transcontinental train to New York, encountering a number of obstacles along the way. A massive herd of bison crossing the tracks, a failing suspension brigade, and the train being attacked by 6 warriors. After uncoupling the locomotive from the carriages, Passepartout is kidnapped by the Indians, but Fogg rescues him after American soldiers volunteer to help. They continue by a wind-powered sledge to Omaha, where they get a train to New York. In New York, having missed the sailing of their ship, the China, Fogg starts looking for an alternative to cross the Atlantic Ocean. He finds a steamboat, the Henrietta, destined for Bordeaux in France. The captain of boat refuses to take the company to Liverpool, whereupon Fogg consents to be taken to Bordeaux for $2,000 per passenger. He then bribes the crew to mutiny and make course for Liverpool. Against hurricane winds and going on full steam, the boat runs out of fuel after a few days. Fogg buys the boat from wooden parts to keep up the steam. The companion arrive at the Queenstown Cove in Ireland, take the train to Dublin and then a ferry to Liverpool, still in time to reach London before the deadline. Once on English soil, Fix produces a warrant and arrests Fogg. A short time later, the misunderstanding is cleared up. The actual robber James Stein was a actual robber, was caught 3 days earlier in Edinburgh. However, Fogg have missed the train and arrives in London 5 minutes late. Certain he lost the wager, Fogg apologizes to Oda for bringing her with him, since he now has to live in poverty and cannot support her. Oda confesses that she loves him and asks him to marry her. He calls for Passepartout to notify the minister. The following day, at the minister's, Passepartout learns that he is mistaken in the date, which he takes to be Sunday, December 22, but which is actually Saturday, December 21, because the party travelled eastward, gaining a day. The wager can still be won, but there is very little time left. Passepartout hurries to inform Fogg, who reaches the Reform Club just in time to win the wager. Fogg marries Oda, and the journey around the world is complete within 80 days. This is what the explanation, the analysis of Around the World in 80 days. If you want to see the similar videos, visit our channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon button. If you like this video, then hit the like button. If you have any problem, any query, any suggestion, any information, any reply, write it in comment box. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.